Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I am going to discuss in short ILD, interstitial lung disease in children. So when to suspect it? It can be suspected even just after birth. So if after birth within minutes to hours the child is in respiratory distress, not responding to usual treatment, not explained by usual disease, it may be ILD. So there are certain forms of ILD present in neonates like surfactant protein mutation, surfactant protein B, ABCA, surfactant protein C mutations leading to defect in surfactant which is required for prevention of collapse of the lung. So these are the few ILD. After day 1 of life, there are ILD like knee-high neuroendocrine hyperplasia of infancy or pulmonary interstitial glycogenosis. These may present in later neonatal period or infantile period, but prognosis of these two are good, but these may require long-term oxygen therapy, and we have to detect it, diagnose it, and explain to parents also. In later period, that is after infancy or after 2 years of age, there are so many ILDs, maybe in normal host or immunocompromised host or some systemic diseases producing ILD like Langerhans cell histiocytosis, sarcoidosis, some rheumatoid disorders like JIA, systemic sclerosis, juvenile dermatomyositis. These all may sarcoidosis. These all may lead to ILD. So if there is prolonged cough, if there is dyspnea, if there is chest retraction and exercise intolerance in children, failure to thrive in children, we should suspect ILD after excluding other normal causes. Then we should investigate further for diagnosis. Like if there is 4% or more drop in SpO2 after 6-minute walk in children, it may be indicative of ILD. So diagnosis rests on 3 pillars, rather 4. One is clinical suspicion, then HRCT chest, then lung biopsy, and lastly genetic testing. So there is a paradigm shift in the diagnosis of ILD in children, which is not like adult. So diagnostic shift is towards genetic testing rather than lung biopsy. For more knowledge, please join Fellowship in Pediatric Pulmonology with Bronchoscopy and Sleep Medicine and Respiratory Foundation of India. Be aware, take care, thanks.